Ready to elevate your RV experience? Meet the AMPLO hydraulic leveling system, your new best friend for hassle-free setup. Simply press the red button on the control panel to turn on the system. You'll see the screen light up, signaling that it's ready to go. Next, grab your remote and press the A button to kick off the leveling sequence. It's really that simple. Now take a step back and let AMPLO work its magic. Watch as the front rams gracefully lower, setting the stage for a stable foundation. Now the back rams are coming down, working in harmony to ensure your motorhome is perfectly balanced. Now your vehicle is level and stable, allowing you to move around comfortably inside without any unwanted movement. Check out the durability of the AMPLO remote. AMPLO is built to last. Now let's get back to business. Press the button to retract the legs as we prepare to hit the road for our next adventure. And just like that, you're ready to go. With AMPLO, transitioning from setup to travel has never been easier. To turn off the system, simply hold down the red power button until two icons appear. Select the door icon and press the check. And just like that, you're ready to hit the road. If you want to find out more about the AMPLO system, or if you would like to book a free hoist inspection, please don't hesitate to contact us today.